Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you manage app using iCloud on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just click here on settings here in verse. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on your name, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. You click here on iCloud. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to app using iCloud here in this list. You click here on show all. And here can you manage it if you want to disable it like this. Or just click on this sign if you can't turn on it. So that's all you have to do to select or manage apps using here. So iCloud, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.